Join us on a culinary journey as we explore the sweet, aromatic essence of this beloved Mexican dessert. In a medium saucepan, combine 1 piloncillo cone, 4 cups of water, 3 cinnamon sticks, 1 star anise, and 1 clove. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer until the piloncillo is dissolved. Next, slice 3 bread rolls. Then grease a skillet pan with butter or cooking spray and toast the bread slices until they are lightly golden and crispy. Following, let's toast some peanuts until they become golden brown and fragrant. Keep a close eye on them, as they can go from perfectly toasted to burnt quickly. Prepare our last ingredients: coconut flakes, toasted peanuts, raisins, and cheese. To assemble, layer the toasted bread slices in the bottom of the dish. Then pour the prepared syrup evenly over the bread. And sprinkle some of the coconut flakes, peanuts, raisins, and grated cheese over the bread. And repeat the process until you use the remaining bread and ingredients. Finally, pour the remaining syrup over the top, making sure all the bread is soaked. And enjoy! Subscribe to our social media channels and newsletter for exclusive offers and exciting recipes.